Elephants, the magnificent creatures of the animal kingdom, have always fascinated humans with their unique features, intelligence, and social dynamics. As the largest land mammals, elephants captivate our imagination and have become iconic symbols of strength, wisdom, and grace. In this video, we will delve into some intriguing facts about these extraordinary beings. Elephants are renowned for their colossal size. Standing tall at an average height of 10 to 13 feet, 3 to 4 meters, at the shoulder, they can weigh up to 12,000 pounds, 5,400 kilograms. The African elephant is larger than its Asian counterpart, and both species exhibit distinct characteristics. Elephants possess a remarkable trunk, which is a fusion of their nose and upper lip. This versatile appendage allows them to grasp objects, gather food, drink water, and even exhibit affection towards their companions. Furthermore, elephants possess large, fan-shaped ears that help regulate their body temperature, and they possess tusks made of ivory, although unfortunately, these tusks have made them targets of illegal poaching. Elephants are highly social animals, living in intricate family groups known as herds. Each herd is led by a matriarch, typically the oldest and most experienced female. She guides the herd, ensuring their safety, leading them to food and water sources, and imparting wisdom to younger members. These herds display strong bonds and engage in various social interactions, including caring for injured or grieving members. Male elephants generally leave the herd during adolescence and either roam alone or form temporary bachelor groups. The social structure of elephants is a testament to their intelligence and emotional depth. Elephants are renowned for their exceptional intelligence and cognitive abilities. They possess one of the largest brains among land animals, contributing to their advanced learning capacity. Research has shown that elephants are capable of problem-solving, self-awareness, and even exhibit empathy towards others. They can remember specific locations and exhibit a keen memory, recognizing individuals even after long periods of separation. Their cognitive abilities contribute to their remarkable survival strategies and their ability to adapt to various environments. Elephants employ a range of communication methods to interact with one another. Vocalizations play a vital role in their communication repertoire, including trumpeting, rumbling, roaring, and other unique sounds. These vocalizations convey different messages, such as warning others of danger, expressing emotions, or signaling mating behavior. Elephants also utilize physical touch as a means of communication, using their trunks to caress, greet, or comfort one another. Additionally, elephants can communicate over long distances by producing low-frequency sounds that can travel through the ground and be detected by other elephants. Elephants play a significant ecological role in the habitats they inhabit. As they move through forests and grasslands, they create pathways and clearings, facilitating the dispersal of seeds and contributing to vegetation regeneration. Their feeding habits can shape the landscape, influencing the distribution and diversity of plant species. By pushing over trees, elephants help create open spaces that allow sunlight to reach the forest floor, stimulating new growth. Their presence as ecosystem engineers has a profound impact on the biodiversity and overall health of their habitats. Elephants, with their majestic presence and exceptional qualities, hold a special place in the natural world. From their awe-inspiring size and anatomy to their complex social structures and intelligence, elephants continue to inspire and captivate us. Understanding and appreciating these gentle giants is crucial for their conservation and the preservation of their habitats. By raising awareness, promoting responsible tourism, and combating illegal poaching, we can ensure that future generations will have the privilege of witnessing the wonders of elephants in the wild. Let us cherish these remarkable creatures and work towards their protection, ensuring their rightful place in our shared planet's rich tapestry of life.